If you're using an iPhone and you cannot access 18 plus adult websites or any website on your iPhone like this, then there is a fix. So first of all, let's get to know the reason why it is asking so. It is because of the child protection, which is automatically updated on your latest iOS. And honestly, there is no workaround. You cannot get rid of this annoying thing. So there are 3 methods to solve this problem. I'm gonna describe all of them one by one. Method number 1 is you can provide your passport, ID, driving license or anything. There will be a notification to prove that you are 18 plus under your Apple ID. There you can provide your passport, ID, driving license or any other proof that can prove that you are 18 plus. That will solve your problem. If that doesn't solve your problem, then let's come to the method number 2. Go to setting and scroll down, go to screen time. Scroll down and you will see communication safety. Turn it off. Give your passcode. And in my case, it turns on automatically. No matter how hard I try, it turns on automatically. There is a bug or a glitch, I don't know. But here you can read that to change these restrictions, I'm using UK ID. So the UK requires you to confirm you are an adult. The only way to confirm is to provide passport, driving license or any other proof. You can do another setting if that is allowed on your iOS. Go to content and privacy restrictions, go to App Store, media, web and games, scroll down and you will see web content. If I select unrestricted, then it automatically goes to limit adult websites again. No workaround, right? It still doesn't open any website. But in your case, if you can simply click on this unrestricted, then just click on unrestricted and it will open all the websites normally. If you want to block as a parent, if you have kids that are less than 18, then you can simply block some of the websites going there. And here type facebook.com as an example and you will immediately block Facebook. It will not open Facebook. And if you want to allow some websites, you can allow them here. Let's say instagram.com. You want to allow this one, it will be allowed there. And if you want no restrictions, then just click on unrestricted. If this method doesn't solve your problem, now come to the last solution that is not actually recommended, but there is no other workaround. In my case, screen time doesn't even allow me to select some other options. So what I will do, simply go to my Apple ID, scroll all the way down and sign out my Apple ID. Sign out, but don't erase anything. Continue anyway, continue. Give your passcode and confirm sign out. Now it's signing out from iCloud. So now the ID has been signed out. As you can see, there is nothing there. Now go to screen time, communication and safety, and now you can easily turn it off. Give your passcode and that's it. It will not turn on automatically. You can also go to content and privacy restrictions, go to App Store, media, web and games, and here you can press unrestricted and that's it. Now you go to any 18 plus website or any website that is causing problem with a VPN or without a VPN, simply click on the website and go there. It will open normal. Thanks me later. Subscribe for more content and I'll see you next time. Bye.